After creating your profile and adding a business profile, you are now ready to apply for any kind of application at the Bureau of Animal Industry. In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to apply for a handler's ID. First, of course, you need to log into the website. Once you have successfully logged in, you will see the application quick links on your profile page. To apply for a handler's ID, click on a HWD, the Animal Health and Welfare Division, under the quick links. This will show you all the available applications under AHWD. Now, let's focus on the handler's application since we are applying for a handler's ID. Click on the handler's application. After clicking on the handler's application in the quick links, you will be redirected to the application page for handlers, where you can see all the records of handler's ID applications you have made. Since this is your first time applying, no records will be shown. Additionally, please be reminded that you need to pass the Animal Welfare Act seminar in order to apply for a handler's ID. You can check the status of your exam in the upper part of the page. If the system detects that you have not yet passed the exam, you will see a Take the Exam button. You need to click on it to proceed to the exam page. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to the exam page where you can start the exam directly. On the upper part of the exam page, you will find a Watch the Video button. This button allows you to watch a video related to the exam, providing you with a reference on how to answer the series of questions. You can take the exam as many times as you need until you pass it. Once you have passed the exam, you can now apply for the handler's ID. To apply, click on the Add New Application button. After clicking the button, a pop-up form will appear, allowing you to input the details of your application. In the Company Name section, select the company for which you want to apply as a handler. In the Application Type section, choose whether it is a new application or a renewal. In the Origin and Destination section, select the region that represents the possible shipment route. After filling up all the required fields in the forms, click the Save Next button to save the data and proceed to the next steps. A message will appear in the upper part of the page saying, "Application successfully saved." You can now add attachments for this application. Just click the OK button to proceed to the Attachments section. In the Attachments section, the handler's ID requires only one attachment. Click the drop-down to know what attachment is needed. Now, click on the specified attachment type and provide the additional details. Upload the corresponding attachment as required. Once you have uploaded the required attachments or documents, you can now click the Submit button for evaluation. Please keep in mind that the administrative evaluation will only begin once you submit the application you created. After clicking the Submit Application button, a confirmation message will appear to confirm your action. Once confirmed, the application you created will be added to your application list, and you can track its status by checking in the status field of your application. To track your application in real time, simply refresh the page and you will be able to see the updated status of your application. Please allow some time for the administrator to evaluate your application, as there might be a high volume of applications to be processed. The evaluations will be done on first-come, first-served basis. Once your application is approved by the admin, you will notice a print button on the left side of your application near the application date. Click on this button to view or print your handler's ID. Keep in mind that you need to print your ID on a letter-size paper and laminate it afterward. Before laminating, please follow the instructions located on your ID.